No, I know not hear the music. I can't hide from the music. DJ Wizard over there keeping down the turntables. DJ Wizard. I hear one little story about how you reach here now. But you have to tell me about that later. I'm soon come to you.
No problem, no problem.
Go on, hold it down. All right, this morning we have super designer, super socialite, and super mom, James Black. Yes, I said James. She's joining me this morning to display some of her newest pieces from her YC collection. Welcome to Weekend Smile.
Thank you for having me, Sakino.
I just want to know if you carried a bag with a change of clothes.
Yes,
because
I did.
You're gonna need to take this off and leave it round the back.
Or I might just run out of here really fast.
Security! Grab her before she leaves. I know that you're a new mom, so before we jump into the clothes, tell us a little bit about that journey for you, especially being so busy with all your work. How do you manage?
Boy, the journey, I mean, how much do you want to hear?
We were having the discussion, but we won't tell them about that.
But it's been, I mean, it's my first Mother's Day. Thank you so much, and same to you when it comes, but it's been an awesome journey. I mean, it's just amazing to see that, you know, he's almost like a person with his own personality, and yeah, it's amazing. But
does he try and hinder the progress when you're working?
Oh, of course. I mean, just getting ready this morning, it was like I had him in one hand and I'm like making the formula, and then I'm like, stop trying to kill yourself while I'm combing my hair. It's crazy, but it's fun.
Oh, there you are with your beautiful.
Oh, I was like, he's here? Oh, wow, they found pictures.
Of course it is. Lori is the boss at doing that.
She will find
anything, anywhere. That's Lori.
I'm going to bring him out. I'm like,
oh. Well, what inspired? I'm sure he wasn't around when YC was being inspired. So what inspired it?
Well, I just wanted to actually start it out just having like a business idea. I just wanted my own business. At the time, I was kind of getting into fashion. I was more of a tomboy, so I wouldn't say it was something.
You too?
Yeah.
Look at what tomboys turn into, guys.
I wouldn't say I was like, you know, in mommy's heels when I was younger. I was more like climbing trees and, you know,
Amen. Me
kicking
too.
boys or something. But yeah, I just got a love for it in high school, and then I said, boy, why not put the two together, you know, make a business out of this new love for fashion.
So you've been doing
it
this
for a while. Yes, because I'm old.
No, don't say that. You're not old. You're fine wine.
Yeah.
How would you describe your line? Because I know you said you started out doing T-shirts.
Yeah.
But now look at the beautiful stuff that we have.
Yeah.
So how would you describe it?
I like to be edgy, but also very comfortable. I think the tomboy in me still likes to be laid back. You know, I'm not beautiful. You know, I'm not trying to be like uncomfortable, but I want to be fashionable, and I want to make a statement, but I want people to be like, you know, she did that effortlessly.
Yeah. That's the right word. Effortlessly.
So,
all right, we're seeing some of your pieces on screen now, but let's see some of the ladies come out in some pieces
I have
that you brought with you.
Lovely ladies.
All right,
with
who's
me.
first?
First, we have Ashley, and Ashley is in a piece from my latest collection, which I did for like Easter Carnival weekend. It's a fun, flirty piece. It's a romper, but it has a skirt overlay. So,
and I love the print.
Yeah, and I mean, the perfect thing about this is that the skirt kind of gives the illusion of like more of an hourglass shape. Not that Ashley doesn't have one, but you know, for ladies who might be a little bit more straight, kind of accentuate the hips. This piece is perfect for that.
And you can put it on with some flats and head to
And you can put it on with flats.
And it's just an awesome dress-up piece
I love
too.
pieces that can go from, you know, different
day
occasions.
To night,
day to night,
straight to awesome. Straight to anywhere.
Yeah.
Who's next?
And next we have Jen.
Yes, I know this beautiful lady from
like,
Instagram.
Yeah, man, famous faces.
And she's
So Jen is in the Alice crop top. It was also from the same collection, Fete to Death. Yeah, so it's just cute.
Fete to Death?
Fete to
the name
Death.
Of the collection.
Yeah, it was coined from the term fresh to death,
Nice.
but I kind of did it for Carnival. So
where would I wear this to?
Boy, you can wear this to brunch. You can do it with, you know, Jen has it a little bit more casual now with just high-waisted skinny jeans, but you can do it with probably flared pants.
Yeah.
So high-waisted wide leg pants will make it a little bit more dressy. And yeah, you can do it with flats or heels, as she showed.
I love the detail on the sleeve.
With brunch, with a party, a night
fabulous.
out with the girls, date nights. Yeah.
Great. Awesome, Jen. Thank you so much. Who's up next?
Next we have Alicia.
We never have an Alice.
No, Ashley.
Oh, okay. Yes,
So-
beach time.
Yes, exactly. So I love this piece just because it's the perfect thing to just throw in your bag for a weekend getaway. It's a bikini top, but it has the matching pants, so it's like
love the
it's the best
ruffles
of
on the
both
top.
worlds. Yeah, and then the ruffle, the detail
And
on
with all
top
the
is
breakfast
perfect.
parties that were happening.
Exactly.
And the beach
So this was
party.
this was perfect for that season. But now with summer
Definitely.
coming up,
It's even better.
it's even better.
Jump in it and head to the beach.
Yeah.
And you know, you can still look stylish. Sometimes these days people just, you know, you don't want to just jump anywhere and just go, you know, in a little short.
Yeah, no,
everybody
man,
want
you
to
want
put
to-
little effort into
exactly.
it. And that's an easy way of
And it's an
putting
easy
some
way
effort.
of doing it. Yeah, it's just pants and a bikini top, but it's
Nice
it's
pants.
very nice. And
bikini
yeah.
top. Okay, who do we have next?
Oh, that's it.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Where can we have all the fantastic ladies out so we can see
Quick,
all
just a
of...
tease.
Yes.
So yes, so we have
That's
Jen,
beautiful.
Ashley,
I
and
love it.
Alicia rocking the pieces.
How can we find you? Because you
Yeah.
think so me not come for them clothes. I take it out for you if you don't leave it to make
Well,
a
I
sad
mean,
mistake.
we're on Instagram, YC_clothing86. I also have a website, so people can actually purchase from the website. Overseas, I mean, I don't know if anyone's watching who is overseas
Oh,
or
yes,
knows
man. One Spot
someone.
Media, we got it.
Yeah,
They're
okay,
watching.
great. So yeah, you can find the pieces online and purchase online. It'll be shipped to you wherever you are in the world. It's shopyc.bigcartel.com.
Okay, do
Oh,
you
yeah.
do custom pieces?
Yes,
I mean, can I come to
it's
you and
actually a
tell
big
you?
part of the line is
Right.
that people can actually come to me and I'll do a design just for you. My own design,
So you
don't
won't
bring
walk
your
up and
design.
down and see 15 people in your clothes because
so
they buy
that's
them
a
at the same
huge part
store.
of what the line is about, custom design. So
And how long does it take you to make a piece?
I would say like 2 weeks notice is good.
Right.
At least.
At least 2 weeks notice, guys. So, you know, if you want a piece. And it's Mother's Day. So
Yeah,
you can support the
yeah.
mother by doing something nice for Mother's Day.
Exactly.
Thank you so much for
Thank
stopping
you
by,
for
James.
having me,
I
Sakina.
love the fact that you've gone totally James with the name. It's beautiful.
Oh,
And
yeah.
before you go, we can't let you go without
Oh,
giving you
Happy Mother's
a
Day.
token. And congrats on being a mommy and
Thank
happy
you
Mother's
so
Day
much.
tomorrow.
Oh, my first gift.
Yeah, you have a while to go before that 8 months old can give you a present. You know.
That's okay.
Yeah, I know. That's what
Tell
I said.
Daddy.
I can't even look. Yeah.
to work with.
Oh, what
Daddy
daddy
gotta do
dealing
it.
with? I got a roll.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank
Extra feel
you.
good knowing her. Girl and get a present. That was Mommy
Hey.
Extraordinaire, James Black, owner of YC Designs.